Yeah, thank you once again. We appreciate you for requesting for what VTU you have. It's nice having you. You can say about us. Welcome to YGVT. You have your trusted all-in-one digital solution for instant airtime top-up, data bundles, purchases, electricity bill payments, cable TV subscriptions, and lots more. Do you understand? Why YGVT you have matters? Do you understand? This app is not just another utility platform. It's a life simplifying tool designed to help individuals, families, and business stay connected and what empowered. You can see it's a lovely key benefits: instant transaction, affordable price, user-friendly interface, all-in-one word convenience, business opportunity, becoming a VTU vendor, and earn a daily by what? Offering services to others. That is simple as that. Lot. But here in this video, we'll be discussing everything. We'll be discussing how to download and what login after creating your Gmail account. If you don't know how to create a Gmail account, you can check my Gmail account at your Gmail creation and video on this platform. You see it there. Now let's dive into the video. Some people don't watch this video. They just go into the link and they get it wrongly. But firstly, before I will send you the link and the referral code, I want you to watch this video now. So once you click on the link I sent to you, you come to this page. Don't click on login here. Click on download. Then you wait for it to load. And once it's load, you can see downloading file. Till you get so you wait for the download to be downloaded. So still waiting now, download completed. Then you open it. After opening, you can see, do you want to install this app? You click on what? Install. Then you are installing the VTU app. You can see how lovely, simple, and easy it is. Now you click on what? Open. You click on open. You click on open. Good. You can see made by YGM VTU. It's loading now. It's loading. So wait for it what to come up. Wow. Welcome to YGM VTU app. Enjoy fast, easy, and reliable service airtime anywhere. Thank you. Now click on understand. Understood. Here you have the info here. Understood. Then you click on proceed. Place now. Once you get here, you have your login. You have registered now. Register now. You click on register now. Then you put your name. Put your name, your last name, email address, mobile number, create a password. Then referral code. Then you go back to your WhatsApp. Go back to your WhatsApp. Copy the referral code. It's important. You paste it there. Then you click on what? Click on register. Wow, successful. You can see your what sign up is what successful. Now set a pin. Set a pin. Set your pin, your transaction pin. Good. You can see you have a 50 naira there, which is your what opening bonus, sign up bonus. In the next video, you're going to be watching how to use transfer, load airtimes, etc. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for patronizing my gym VTU app.